Have you guys seen those super cute donut walls where you hang the donuts on little pegs? I've seen them all over Pinterest, all over Instagram, social media, everywhere, and I'm like, I want to make those, they're so cute. But how do you do it? So today I'm going to share with you a super easy way to make these donuts. And the best part is they're all store-bought ingredients. No baking, no mess, 10 minutes. So the first thing I do is I go and I pick out my favorite donuts. Donuts that are already made. You don't have to worry about following a recipe or making a huge mess in your kitchen. I chose to buy the Entenmann's, the big box of them. You get, I think, like 24 in a pack. Actually, I should check that. Okay, you actually get 12 in a pack, so. And the next thing you wanna do is buy your favorite frosting. Now, you can make your own frosting. Whatever frosting you choose, that's all you need. So the frosting that I chose was just the regular Duncan Hines vanilla frosting. Just take your frosting and put it in a microwave safe bowl. Add some of your favorite food coloring. I choose gel food coloring because you need a little bit. It's very concentrated. It's not gonna change the consistency of your frosting. Add whatever color you want, or if you don't want to, no color, no big deal, even easier. And then I just pop it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. And then here's the easy part. Just take your donut out of the box, dip it in that frosting, and then you've got yourself a beautiful colored donut. I chose to use one of my favorite sprinkle mixes. Let me get that for you. Here we go. Did you hear that? It's very windy outside. So I chose these Sprinkle Pop sprinkles. These ones are called Orbit. So you can see there's a little bit of navy in there, a little bit of orange, a nice blend with the gold. If you've seen any gourmet donut at any bakery, you can literally top them with anything. I've actually even seen them topped with bacon. So many options, you can't go wrong. You can see here, I'm actually trying to add a little bit of white frosting to my already colored orange frosting. I'm trying to go for a marbled look. The only problem is I didn't use enough white to mix in there, but you can see a little bit of the white peeking through. Just like that, 10 minutes. Super easy, gorgeous looking donuts, no bake, no mess. If you choose to make it, please let me know. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see every week my new videos for DIY baking. I'm Kristen, and thanks for watching.